Hey everybody, welcome back to 162 Customizing. Jeff here saying hello. Listen, here in Northern California it's been doing a bunch of stinking rain and I'm in a rain, shoot, that's nothing compared to what you guys has been going through. Minus degrees and 6 degrees, 9 degrees, and snow everywhere and all that. I get it. You can't work out in your guys' shops and this stuff too. It's too hecka cold. I get it. I only have a 10 by 20 shop here, and when you go 120 square feet and you go putting in a bunch of tools, there's limited workspace. Obviously, there's no way I can get the truck I'm working on in here, but I can build the pieces and take them out there. And when you go to take bare metal pieces out there and try to fit them up in the rain to see if you're still on track when making the shapes and everything, you're gonna get rust going, and shoot, I'll have them rusted out before I get them on the truck. But I've been doing some other stuff in the shop, other things that I can do. Like, I've been wanting a planishing hammer a lot, for a long time now. And I've been kicking around, thinking about it, building one, and seeing the parts that I have so far and all that. And I started. I haven't got it finished, but there will be a video coming out on that. I also started building, Gene Winfield, he took that 3 different size pipe to make bending, metal shape bending, round bends. I started building that too. Got the pieces together, all I gotta really do is weld it up. But it's gonna be small because I don't have any space. And I ain't gonna build it, put it outside and let it get rusted right off the bat, a big one, so that ain't gonna happen. But a small one will work for small pieces. One other project I worked on, it's a real quick, easy one, is electric extension cord control. We'll call it that. And well, I'll just go ahead and start the video on that one. I do have a video on that one. Watch, like, subscribe. Everybody have a good one. See you on the next one. You get tangled up cords all the time. Show you how to fix that for good. So you get yourself a bucket, a drill bit, a hole saw drill bit. Drill yourself a hole about right here at the bottom. That's a pilot hole for the hole saw bit. Come on, a little bit more. There we go. So after your cord's untangled, you take the metal in, about 2 feet or so, run it through the hole. That should be good. The rest, you just wrap it up in a round circle down here. Goes in untangled, comes out untangled. I'm not going to bore you with the long video of me wrapping this cord up, but I'm going to say hit like, subscribe, comment, tell a friend, and take it easy.